Hey guys, this is a 2017 Ford F-350 four-wheel drive, rebuilt title, front end damage. This has like 214,000 miles on it. We didn't fix up everything. There's a few dings in the bumpers. Can't do all the cosmetic stuff on a 214,000 mile rig, but I think it's pretty clean for what. Utility bed with the rack. It's got the diesel motor in there. Running boards. All your keys here. Start it up here for you. 214,898 on the miles. It's got cruise control, automatic lights, power windows and mirrors, and locks down here. Electronic trailer brake, all your power options, exhaust brake. Again, four-wheel drive with the locking differential. It does have 6 seats, seat belt here. Damage back here. So this has a hitch that's locked on here, but it does have the hitch and everything for it right there. If you need to, we can cut it off. Nice work truck on the cheaper price.